In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design and prototyping tool that runs in your browser or as a desktop app, which means your work is always saved, always synced, and easy to share. It's widely used for UI and UX design because it keeps everything from early sketches to polished prototypes in one place. You can organize files into projects, keep assets consistent, and collaborate without sending files back and forth. When you open Figma, you'll see the canvas in the center where your designs live. The toolbar at the top gives you tools for frames, shapes, text, and the pen. On the left, the layers and assets panels help you manage screens, components, and pages. On the right, the properties panel changes depending on what's selected, letting you adjust layout, colors, typography, and effects. To create wireframes, start by adding a frame, which is basically your screen. Choose common device sizes, then sketch with rectangles, lines, and text. Keep things simple to focus on structure. As you move into visual design, swap placeholder shapes for real components, apply color and text styles, and use alignment tools and layout grids to keep spacing consistent. When you're ready to prototype, switch to prototype mode, drag a connection from one frame to another, choose a trigger like on-click, and pick a transition such as instant or smart animate. Hit present to preview and test the flow. One of Figma's biggest strengths is real-time collaboration. Click share to generate a link and set view or edit permissions. Multiple people can work in the same file at once and you'll see their cursors live. Use comments to ask questions or give feedback directly on the canvas. Each comment pins to a specific spot and you can resolve them as you go. This keeps conversations tied to the work and decisions easy to track. Figma's design system features help you stay consistent. Turn frequently used elements into components, create variants for different states, and define styles for color, text, and effects. Publish them to a shared library so your team can reuse and update assets across files. Update the main component once and every instance follows. Version control is built in. Open version history to review changes, name checkpoints, compare differences, and restore earlier states if needed. It's a safety net that encourages exploration without fear. Finally, Figma connects with tools your team already uses, like project trackers and chat apps, and supports plugins to speed up tasks, pull content, and check accessibility. That's the tour. You now know what Figma is, how the interface works, how to design and prototype, collaborate, manage a design system, track versions, and connect your workflow. Congratulations on taking the first step toward designing confidently in Figma.